Welcome back, guys. We're here with my first wig once again, and this is today's wig. Before we jump into that, got a few goodies as usual. Got the information card along with some clips in this pouch. I got a pair of wig caps. I got a rat tail comb and the perfect storage bag for your wig once you're ready to put it away after you cleanse it and such. And that's everything. So today's wig is this gorgeous curtain bang 10-inch bob. It's a Yaki texture, Yaki straight, and as you can see, the cap construction has a drawstring, which is beautiful. It's a glueless cap construction. It's fully customized, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. Perfect for the beginners and for all the people who don't have all the time in the world to be installing a wig, but you want to look cute and you want it to look realistic. So as you can see, I'm adjusting the drawstring in the back here. Very self-explanatory. Love a wig with a drawstring because it makes the glueless experience way more convenient. It's not going to slip, it's not going to slide. It keeps it in place. As you can see, I gave you guys the shake test and it stayed put. Now, as you can see, I'm just, going over the hair itself, elongating the center part, and you could feel free to go ahead and switch up the parting because it's a nice large parting space. It's a 13x6 cap construction, and as you can see, this looks like it's giving scalp. Okay, they customize their wigs to perfection like all the time. I've been getting my first wigs for years, and let me tell you, they don't play about their quality. Okay, yeah. So that looks really realistic there. And then, as I said, it's a Yaki texture. So it's overall very realistic. I was just going through the top with my hot comb to get the top as flat as possible with my wax stick. And then after that, I went through the entire wig with my flat iron to kind of bump the hair. And that's what I did right throughout the wig. So yeah, that was pretty easy to style and install. I'll link this wig down below in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. That's where you can find it along with all the specifications, any discount code, anything like that will be listed down below. This is such a gorgeous minimalistic look, perfect for the summertime. My first wig really did it with this one. Is so gorgeous. That's it for today's wig look. If you guys liked this video, if you enjoyed it, if it was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.